And we are live. So we're currently live on YouTube. If you guys want to join, make sure you guys join. We're live on YouTube, Smart Money Pedigree. Alright, I'm going to share this live right now. 1 second. One second, guys. What's going on, guys? Edgar, you can DM me for that question. We can talk. But alright, guys. So looking at structure here and looking at areas, it was pretty interesting the way that I was expecting price over here. I expect gold to definitely drop down. The question is, will it? Right? We have a little bit of FEGs here being formed. Price seems like it wants to drop with gold. Price seems like it does want to drop. It does want to grab this liquidity below. But, I don't know what pocket yet it wants to respect, because we obviously have this higher low and higher high. And H1 was interesting because we had this H1 level that we are failing to respect. So to me, this H1, since we haven't gone higher, this is already showing me some rejections. That price does not want to go higher, and it actually is holding out of this last demand level or order block. So I'm expecting this demand to hold. What I'm expecting to see here is prices drop down to grab all that fulfilling liquidity sitting below from gold, and then potentially coming all the way down to mitigate an H4 level down here, right? So we'll see what price does for gold, but now really looking at it, I do expect price. I do think it's going to continue dropping. I don't see much bullish PA here, respected out of the demand. And we can see this as a sweep. This looks more like a sweep of liquidity to me. We had a sweep and then we had a rebalance. So this looks like price does in fact want to come back down lower. So let's see how it price delivers for us. We mitigated this, and then after that mitigation, then on top of that, we also made that another sweep right here. So look at that right there. We sweep this right there as well. That was a nice sweep, and then we made that pocket of FEG right there. So eyeing that with price, I believe that price definitely wants to continue dropping lower with gold, right? Pair XUSD. XUSD, join the YouTube. We're in YouTube live right now. YouTube Smart Money Pedigree. I expect gold to drop probably until the 145 handle. 145 handle. Easy 145 handle. Easily. Easy gold drop all the way down to the 145 handle. Let's mark that off real quick. That's where I expect price to go. Which pair is XUUSD? Definitely gold. Good morning. What's going on now? ICT, how are you doing, brother? I expect XU to drop all the way down to the 145 handle. Easily. Oh, shit. Here we had our first sign. This looks more like a MMXM, you know? I just don't like the way that we're stuck here because price might have a surge before we have that London open and then we might go higher. But again, I'm expecting just, it looks like price wants to drop here. You know, we'll develop that higher low and let's say higher high. And then the way that we're making all this liquidity here definitely wants to drop with the liquidity below. So to me, we should have a decline with gold. Oh, shit. Sorry, guys. Demands, no demand. Low FEG. I guess you could count this as demand and turn to a flip. I'm just marking off little levels here. Trying to see this from a demand and supply perspective. Drop down. Broke that. Broke that. Didn't mitigate that. Mitigated this. We still have this to fill here. And then took that. Mitigated this. Right there. We're yet to mitigate this. Right here. Interesting. Very interesting PA here with gold, not gonna lie to you guys. Didn't mitigate that. Left this pendant up top. We do have the FEG that we filled, though we did take out of the M15. Oh, what's going on, UK? Oof, look at that gold mount, guys. Look at that gold shit. You guys think we're gonna drop? I think we're gonna drop. I don't think we go higher here. I don't think we do. Guys, we're loving YouTube. Dude, what a banger the song is, eh? Guys, this is a banger song right here. What a fucking banger. Gotta play that shit. Guys, we gotta play while London opens up, you know what I'm saying? We have to. Right, babe? What a banger, bro. Ooh, right here. I like this one, huh?
You like it?
You like it.
You haven't listened to it?
Yeah. All right, we got into some trading vibes, right, guys? This is the trading vibes right here. All right, so looks like gold fucking just shit the bed here. That's fine. I expect the price to drop down. This did make sense as well because we did have this M5 FVG right here. So if you saw that, I mean, you could have taken that. I was holding small shorts here, but I was a little bit worried because I did expect price to come back a little bit higher. Because again, we're still not even in session. So this was interesting to me. Price upwardly did drop down. If you had a sell here, it would have been something like this, ups above, and then you could have targeted the lows right here for nice little 2 to 1, or even lower down to the level that I think it's gonna hit, which is 1845. We'll have to see. I'll have to see how price continues going, but for right now, there's too much inducement above, and there's too much liquidity above. That price could definitely still come back up higher. So we could still grab that to induce people to try to get that sell, and then price might continue dropping, right? But we expect the price to come down to 1845 mark and should drop down there. But if you guys look at my last YouTube video that I wanted to share talking about structure, this is probably the best example you guys will have, like speaking about higher time frames, smaller time frames, and then combining it all together. Because we can see how here in M15, we really mitigated this. We mitigated that. That was very significant. After we mitigated the M15 level, then price starts dropping down to an even stronger level, which is down here, right? So that's pretty interesting to look at it in that angle. I don't know if price will only go up higher, but if it does, that will be the target. 1845 is gonna hit smack, man. Oof. Look at that, I love that right there. I see these new flip zones, but I trade everything. I trade what I see in the market, you know what I mean? This is a pretty clean double top. That price might want to drop down from right here.
They texted.
Yeah, hold on.
It wasn't anything bad, it was just saying to have a conversation.
Oh, this is interesting for S&P. I've been looking at this for a while. We're gonna want to be wanting this to short here. Shouldn't drop because we have that M5 level above. If it drops, then the structure isn't really correct. But price should go up from this. You know, we marked that off right here. It should mitigate this, and then from there, it should drop, right? That's kind of what we're expecting. That's definitely not how I wanted that to go, but it still holds. We can still definitely take that sell right there. It makes sense. Looks like it wasn't meant to be. Ooh. Interesting. So, price did reject out of this, you know, what we expected. But the way that it went up to this FEG wasn't really the cleanest, right? When you want to see price again, when you want to see price going up to a level, you want to see it going up correctively. You know, when it has a huge impulse like that, it's really kind of indicating that it doesn't want to go from there. So that's already kind of context for us to not go for that. To not go for that short, instead just wait it out and see what price delivers for us. You know. Limit the short on you. Oh my god, you guys are annoying, bro. Bro, the problem with EU is that it didn't, when you had that limit, it didn't really give us any context. So it was more of a patience thing. Not gonna lie to you, I also had a limit there, but it's just rules. Like I fucked up because I should wait to see how price goes up. It made sense to get this long here because people are gonna be looking for that short, and then once you shoot up like this, I mean, there's just no need for you to be trying to short that. You know what I mean? That was honestly my own bad. Gold, on the other hand, is showing some long opportunity right now. So if you are looking at gold, S&P was interesting as well. Look at the way S&P here. I was eyeing this. We covered the setup in the live. This should pop really. Gold should go from here. I don't really think our price should drop here. We have a little bit of the ammo structure there. Let's see if we go from here. If it doesn't reject this, then it should drop down to this M5 right here, this M5 level, just because this was the M5 level that was that last bear pull, right? So this is interesting because this bear pull right here, this becomes a bearish pull. This right there, right? This was a bearish FVG that we turned bullish. So if it does want to mitigate anything, it could be that, right? The problem is that we're right above that double top, so price should just go from here, honestly, hit that TP. I don't see why it wouldn't, Alright, you guys can break even here if you're in this trade. I'm gonna go ahead and break even here. I'm in this trade with you guys, but I'm at break even now, so you can change now your stops right there to break even. Liquidity did get grabbed, and right there was our plus break even point. Anyone take this? Of course I did. We're hitting, man. TP coming soon, boys. Yes, sir. TP hit. I'm gonna go ahead and close this right there. Easy, boys. Let's fucking do it. Let's fucking go. Let's go, boys. Easy fucking double top M1, double top liquidity. I mean, it doesn't get easier than that, guys. You know what I mean? Pretty easy. So, the M1 got broken. It looks like we're shifting here. Looks like we did a hold out of that level. You know, we did drop down and grab the liquidity. We didn't hit the 1845 handle, which is fine, but you know, it did hold out of the M1 structure. And the problem was that what I was eyeing here, and what I kind of peeped was that for this to be bearish, we had to hold out of this right here. So like I was covering to you guys before, I was explaining, we had to hold out of this bearish pool right here. Since we did not hold out of this bearish pool right here, that's when price just completely overshoots because it drops up. But does that mean that this has to hold, or does it mean that it has to come down to mitigate this? Absolutely not. And why is that? Because we're right above a double top. So there's going to be a lot of people that are going to want to be shorting this. So when they're going to want to be shorting this, obviously you want to look for the opposite end, which is right here. Right? We have that higher low and higher high FVG, and that's it. You know, so if you would have still been holding this, that would have turned out to almost a 5-to-1. Fucking beautiful trade, man. Very clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and just remove all of this now because the structure is completed for now. We can go back up to M15 right here and see what price actually did. Looks like it did mitigate out of this H1 level right here. So we can mark that off. Oops. Let's go hit that. After we hit that, it looks like price did end up going higher right there. Alright, so let's keep looking at price here. To me, the fucking U is gonna drop. To me, at least rebalance down here. That's what I think. Yeah, definitely. If we want to make a swing high up here, whatever price is doing here, it's just inducing. But I don't think we're gonna go lower here. I don't think we're gonna. Sorry, I don't think we're gonna continue going higher. I think we're gonna drop. It just depends once we break out a significant structure. So lower high, right? It's failing to make a swing high after we just rebalance out of this. I think I was eyeing this, bro. That's the part that I hate the most, because I was eyeing this shit. I could have definitely taken this right here. This is a setup right there. I could have taken it easily. I just hate that we're not in session, man, because if we were, I would have been in the straight right here. For sure. This would be my go-to right there. Fuck. The thing is, I know that I can't trade SMP in London session, so I just stay away from that. Doesn't matter if I get the perfect setup, I'll never do it. But that sucks to see the way that it's going. It's definitely gonna hit that TP. 4-1 right there. Risking 1 pip, bro. Rebalance that, broker the M5, inducement, drop down, I mean, just perfect. Hit the H1 order block right here as well. So fucking clean. What I need EU is to draw. That's what I need, so I can start shorting this. The EU opens in, London opens in 30 minutes. Looks like we hit the F and G. That's interesting as well. Where did it go? We just hit here. We swept out of Asian liquidity. This is what I gotta see. For me to short this, I gotta see mitigation, and then I'll short it. Interesting for EU, broke out of that. S&P absolutely fucking flying. Alright, so we had a complete sweep of liquidity with EURUSD. That's not bad either, you know? Now we gotta see how we react from this level. I still think we're going short, but we definitely have to start seeing a bigger shift now. Now the structure point is very clear to me. You know, we have this low point to this high point right here. That's definitely a structure point that we have as far as M5 goes. So we gotta see that broken first of all. We gotta get more liquidity or some type of mitigation so that showing us a presence to shift. Right now we're not getting much. All right. You guys can short this right here. And by down to his OB is perfectly fine. That's 2 to 1. Couldn't see how this M3 closes right here. Let's see, let's see. And I should start looking clean, my homies. Look at this little M3 right here. After this little break of structure, holy fuck, that's solid. That's a solid FVG if I've seen one myself. Solid FVG after a break of structure right there. Oh fuck. He used looking nice too. Juicy, juicy, man. And right here you have obviously discount to high. We're at premium right now. Price can easily drop down all the way down to right here. Fuck, shit's going, right? Shit's just going here. M3 was completed, so we made that M3 FEG right there. Definitely capitalize from this right there. If it even wants to go up there, I don't know if it's gonna want to go up there, bro. Fuck me. This is the part of being patient that sucks, you see? Because if I wasn't patient with this and I would have just said fucking and taken this sell, it would have been in some fucking blues, you know? But we took the sell, we took the buy, and then we were patient for the sell because we want to see price actually develop. Fortunately, it didn't give us that setup that we quite want to see. And that sucks, but it could still happen. You know, we just gotta be patient and want to see how London Open happen, like, kind of makes structure. Do a little bit of H41 right there as well. So how I start seeing prices, the bigger time that I start making, I could still follow that. You know what I mean? Like this M3 is no longer significant for me because we're now making an M5 and an M4 FEG that I'm focused on. So now my main focus is going to be this one because we're still within the structure point. We're making this is going to be way more significant than an M3 one up there. You guys know what I mean? So now we'll trade from this one. Innovation people and surprises away here. So same thing here. You see, we're not making an H4 FEG right here that I can focus on completely. So what does that mean? That means that my focus is now way apart from this, and I want to see what price is doing from this angle right there. So M4 right here not created just yet, but if it does create this, FEG there, that's going to be a focus for me to try to short it. The biggest one right now is this up there. So this is still the main objective. Oh shit, will let me find, right? Oh, it's not fine. Oh. This is how you start applying bigger time frame structure. You guys know what I mean? You start looking at it as a whole. What's price doing here? M3, still haven't mitigated that. Let's move this to the side right there. Broke at this bullish feature right there. We were unable to make the higher high, broke the structure right there. Price is definitely gonna come down. Damn, look at S&P. This is why you don't trade S&P when it comes to London session, you see? So it's very choppy. You just rather I'd rather just wait for New York where this is not happening at all. 11 pips. Oh fuck, man, how annoying! I think I might respect it at that M1 level. F5 VG created. I don't know what I want to trade, honestly, because gold is clean, but so is ERUSD, you know? They're both gonna short. The question is, what shorts first? Oh shit. Gold with the entry. Oh, I got in gold rather than ERUSD. I like gold better, to be honest. Gold looks a little more cleaner for me. How many gold sells, guys? Call me what you need for. To be humble. You guys can go ahead and break even here. Oh shit, my bad. Go ahead and break even, let price do its own thing, you know? It shouldn't go back up there. Look at that. Jesus Christ, how fucking beautiful our trading has been this open. That's clean, man. EURUSD was so fucking clean. Look at that melt. Oh my god. It just sucks that I wanted to trade gold, right? But it's gonna happen, you know? This might hit break even. No, that sucks, but that's the way that it goes. It might hit break even. That's unfortunate, guys. Not gonna lie to you guys, but look at you. Fuck, that's clean, brother. I'm happy with the lungs anyway. It is what it is. Man, what a fucking banger right here for EU. Jesus Christ. Oh, it's clean. Oh, that didn't hit my break even. Let's go. Come on, hit TP. Go. Let's go. Fuck. Come on. It's just another word for getting old. Resolution just as impossible as letting go. Sharp and the blunt side have shifted this time. Oh, it's you wanted me, but he was there. Now let it be, let it be, let it be, oh baby, let it bend. Ah, fuck. Stopped out of break even, guys. With gold, it is what it is. Let's see if this is just a hunt, and we might want to go up to this one. You know, that could be it. I don't know. I still think we're bearish here, but obviously prices wanted to go a little bit higher here, so we'll see. We'll see what it is. Maybe just got out a little bit too early because it does make sense for price to go up higher there. I do think we're gonna drop here. Just Might just been a little bit too early to hit that. I'm gonna actually just go on again. I'm gonna hold this again. I'm gonna hold it down. I do believe that we're dropping for gold. Just don't know if it's time just yet. But I'm gonna trust my analysis, man. I do believe we're gonna drop. Let's celebrate there. Screaming through the walls. Fuck. Look at this bad boy go, Jesus Christ. In the sky. Sunlight. Damn, look at EU guys. Jesus Christ. Life is a waterfall.
Put your love and hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you to put your love in hand now, baby. I'm begging, begging you to put your love in hand now, darling. Riding high when I was king, I played it hard and fast, tried everything. I walked away, you want me there. But easy come and easy go, and he put it so into my feet, you let me go, yeah, into my feet, you got me, no. Into my feet, you let me know, but the plan and see, just let me go. I'm on my knees when I'm begging, cause I don't wanna lose you.
Alright, guys can go ahead and break even here. Another fucking banger. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm begging, begging you. So put your love in the hand now, baby. I'm begging, begging you. So put your love in the hand now, darling. I'm falling hard for my own. Just can't make it all alone. I'm holding on, I can't pull back. I'm just a small bunch of fate to fly. I'm begging, begging you. Put your love in the hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you. To put your love in the hand out, darling. I'm begging, begging you. To put your love in the hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you. To put your love in the hand out, darling. I'm begging, begging you. To put your love in the hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you. To put your love in the hand out.
Alright, guys, I'm locking that in, man. Pretty good trade. Solid trade. Not gonna lie to you guys.
Well, imagine as I'm pacing the pews in a church corridor, and I can't help but to hear, no, I can't help but to hear in exchanging words. What a beautiful wedding, what a beautiful wedding, says the bridesmaid to way out, but what a shame the poor groom's bride is a whore. I chime in with a haven't you people ever heard of closing a goddamn door? No, it's much better to face these kinds of things with a sense of voice and rationality. I chime in.
How many people ever heard of?
Goddamn door, no, much better to face these kinds of things with a sense of. Well, in fact, we'll all look at this. We all need to be
No matter to say.
what this calls for.
I toast for the champagne. Oh, in fact. No matter to say. Alright, brothers. I appreciate you guys tuning in. For the 14 of us, I know today wasn't a lot of us, but we did gain some pretty good trades, man. We took that EU shorts, gold longs, gold shorts. We fucking killed it today. So I'm gonna try to do this every so often. You know, it's pretty hard for me because I just focus on my CBN schedule, and then I can't help my students, the ones that are in my mentorship. You know, but I hope you guys did enjoy some of the insights that we shared today. I mean, go back, maybe you guys can understand a bit more how I look at the charts. It's not too complicated, you know, don't complicate trading too much. It's just, you know, it's just trading. Trading is like it's like art. Unfortunately, I was gifted this gift of being able to look at the markets the way that I do. So yeah, I mean, pretty good trades that we took today. Good stuff from you guys. I hope you guys were able to capitalize on the trades. I think we had only one loss, which was the EURUSD short, right? But that was just too fast for us to basically do anything. But let me know what you guys think. I mean, I would love to hear some insight from you guys. You guys enjoyed the stream. You know, what you guys want to do better. I know I didn't talk too much. I mean, I was just trading. Honestly, you know, I was just in my little groove. When you get in that little groove, you don't really want to talk. You just want to focus on the charts and see what you're looking at, you know? But let me know, guys. I mean, I'm still gonna chill you guys for a little bit. It's pretty early, still 3:15, so I don't mind just chilling here for a little bit more. If you guys want to keep trading, we can. I mean, I'm pretty much done for the day, but I'm down to talk. I mean, you guys just let me know what you guys want to talk about psychologically. I mean, pairs. You guys want me to go over anything? The moves of London already happened. You know, it's something people don't understand. when you're looking at New York Open, when you're looking on the opens, you want to capitalize in the first moments of the market, because after that, then it gets very choppy, and you can get stuck in to what price is not doing. Like when price already moves, then you want to leave it at that. Just stop trading it. It's not beneficial to keep trading. Can you check Dirt 30? I haven't traded that pair, I don't think ever, but I'll do it for you, brother. So what the hell is this? Like, why would you trade this? It just makes no sense. It looks interesting. It looks like we have a nice little gap here that we respected. If anything, you're looking for bullish PA, but until where? It just looks very choppy to me. I want to get away from that pair as fast as possible, if I'm being honest. Oof. Victorious. Damn, I have my mic all the way in the back. No shit, probably you guys couldn't even hear what the hell I was saying this entire time. Can you guys hear me good? I have my mic all the way in the fucking back. I apologize for that. Still the same volume? Oh, that's crazy. I didn't even know. Market's gonna drop down here tomorrow. You just have to ask yourselves, what levels have been mitigated and what hasn't been mitigated here. This got mitigated. This hasn't been mitigated yet, so this is interesting. Oh, what you guys talking about this banger, man? Oh my god, what a fucking banger. And I can't see it all. Sing of it. Put your picture on my wall. I'm sorry. Love between water. Love the biggest fan. It's good. Picture from my window, and I can't see it all. That's a picture on my wall. You guys think we hit this shit or what? Interesting EU. I don't really want to trade EU. The reason why I'm not putting trades is because unfortunately we're very discounted price, you know. So yeah, price can continue going, and it should continue going, but there can't be manipulation here. So whenever price is like this, it's just too much for me. I'd rather trade at a premium, and if I'm trading at a discount, I need to have context behind it. So for example, what's the context behind this gold sell here? Well, if we take a look at what really happened here, this was the buy that we took before, right? So clearly there's volume here, right? And there's mitigations that have to happen. So if price wants to come back up to this level, it really shouldn't go up higher. It should just mitigate that to continue dropping. And that's if it does, if it has enough liquidity to. Because the majority of the time it might not have enough liquidity. Two people trying to long this, and this could be enough pips that they don't even want to give it to them. So it's all just a patience game now, and seeing if we have enough liquidity to mitigate that, and then take the liquidity below. So we'll see about that. And then for EU, like I said, just way too down there. It can definitely go up higher, and it can mitigate that and drop lower, but just not much of a trade. But I'm just turning off. I'm just turning off and seeing what the market does. I'm pretty good for the day, but I'm gonna still try to get this full move from gold because I believe I can get it. I believe we can get that full market maker.
I meant to write you sooner, but I just been busy. You said your girlfriend's pregnant now. How far along is she? Look, I'm really flattered you would call your daughter that. And here's an autograph for your brother. I wrote it on the starter cap. I'm sorry I didn't see you with the show. I must have missed you. Don't think I did that shit intentionally.
Just to diss you.
But what's the shit you said about you like to cut your wrist too? I say that shit just clowning, dog. Come on, how long you been? You got some issues, and I think you need some counseling to help your ass from bouncing off the walls when you get down some. And what's the shit? Okay.
Oh, fucking slow. We might move again like at 4:30. Not gonna lie. That's it. That's why you don't trade at a fucking discount. Look at gold. I'm in it, boys. 48.60. 45. Scott. There's a sky for the stars. I'm gonna get it. Oof. What a fucking banger. They don't want to do it to me. They want to do it to me with the songs.
Do you know what we're fighting for? When it's not worth dying for, does it take your breath away and you feel yourself suffocating? Does the pain weigh out the pride?
Come on, brother. So EU looks like it mitigated something to start going higher. Doom, 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 doom. 121 guns. Doom, doom, doom. 121 guns. What a banger. Oof. If you guys don't know this song, don't talk to me. Damn, it's looking like our first stop, our second stop loss. Well, we'll see, because it's just hitting that breaker now. So it could be just mitigating that, to be honest. Damn, look at EU go. Bear candle and 5 ended right under American. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo. Damn it. I'm fucking children. I can remember any day. Oh, baby. On the screen. Now that the world is true with me. Oh, it's too dark for you guys, man. Gotta put some nice vibes, right? Safe and sound. I miss you. Na na na. Ooh, certified banger, bro. I mean, everyone likes this song. Who doesn't like this song? Na na na. Driving drunk, I'm doing my thing. No turning back. Oh shit, man. I wonder if they're missing bullets. Everything is shining on the sky. Yeah, I'll be fine. 1 sec. I'll begin. Damn, it's looking like a stop loss, guys. No. I'll be good. Tell me what you know about me. Tomorrow. I'm in the pursuit of happiness. Everything is shining on the skin of the gold. Oof. Baby girl, what's your name?
Let me talk to you. Let me buy you a drink. I'm T-Pain. You know me. Cotton Picking music never
Bowie.
I know the club close at 3. What's the chances of you rolling with me? Oh, she vibing, she rolling, she rolling. She done in that bowling. Yeah, she tripping, she playing. I'm not going nowhere, girl, I'm staying.
Trust your setup, man. Shawty, what you think of that? I'm in the car. I wish I could sing, bro. Dude, if I could sing, guys, I want to be trading, bro. I'll dedicate my life to singing. Look at that, you melt. Oof, it's clean. That break right there.
Get money, touch bridges, get money, touch bridges, get money, touch bridges.
She made a stripes. Way drunken.
Now I need you.
Things not cool.
I like the bartender. Oh, I'm at the bar with her. Now we got the whole stadium in love, yeah. Oh no, now we got the whole stadium in love, yeah. Ooh, and I will take you home with me.
Shawty, what you think about that? I'm in the back of the line, in the back. So many people. So many people. I'm emotional and I don't want to stop. Alright, guys, you guys can go ahead and break even again, man. Get at me, guys. Fucking hell. Sign me to the 2023 trading competition, brother. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's a little bit too cocked. I'm just messing with you guys. Alright, guys, if this hits a break even, I'm definitely gonna call it a night. Go ahead and partial out 10%. I'm gonna partial out 10% here. Price really should not go back up there. If it does, then it is what it is. But yeah, pretty good trading day, man. Price should drop down here all the way down in TP. Oof. Oh my god, what a banger. Da-da-da-da. To face the mouse. Oof. I'm a fucking banger. But I can't put that for you guys, man. Too dark. Why is it dark and nice? Na, 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 na. Ooh. Da, 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 da. Hey yo. Alright guys, this shit's too slow for me. So this is where I ended, right? Um I will if you guys are still on gold, close it out. I'm gonna close it out myself. I mean I'm done for today. We fucking murdered today. I hope that we get to murder streams like this every time that I'm live. But you guys can see the power of SMC and know that we don't bullshit here. We actually do this, we actually trade. It's not just all show and pictures, dedicated my life to this shit, good 6 years in the making. So you guys obviously get to see a little bit of how I see the market, but you have no clue what it took, but honestly what it takes is just perseverance, discipline, and treating it like a job, but don't stress yourself out because has their own um, everybody has their own path, so it might take you a year, it might take you 3 months, it might take you 2 years, it might take you three, four. It took me 5 years, you know what I mean? I've been in this game for 6 years. Sorry, it took me 4 years. But yeah, I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. I'll see you guys in the next one. You guys know how it goes. Don't overtrade, don't overleverage, safe trading. And